Good morning, dear children. In our today's class, we started the topic number 10 of English grammar, conjunctions. So, we learned in today's class that conjunctions are also called joining words as well as connectors. Okay, so what is the function of conjunctions? Conjunction function is to join group of words and group of sentences. Yes, so conjunctions are used to join sentences or group of words together. So there are so many conjunctions like and, but, so, yet, because, since, as, so, while, after. Okay, so these are so many conjunctions, but in this particular topic we are going to learn about these four conjunctions basically: because, since, so, and as. So now let's just learn what are the function of these four conjunctions. But first we will take these three conjunctions together: because, since, and as. So will be taken in tomorrow's class. So what is the function of because, since, and as? Basically all the three conjunctions are used to show reason of some action. Yes, these are used to join those parts of the sentences that gives the reason for a certain action. Like, what is the action in this sentence? We decided to go for a walk. This is an action. Okay, why we decided to go for a walk? Because it was quite hot inside. क्योंकि अंदर बहुत गर्मी थी. So this is the reason for this first action. This is another action, but this action is reason for this one. So that's why these two sentences are joined with the help of conjunction because. Now take a look at another example. Ronak is practicing hard since he wants to take part in the tournament. So here Ronak is practicing hard. This is an action done by Ronak. So why Ronak is practicing hard? Because or since he wants to take part in the tournament. So here also this part of the sentence is telling reason for this action, is explaining reason for this action. Okay, so here and here as well, in both the sentences, other part of the sentence is explaining reason for action in the first part. Now third one, I could not do my homework. Why I could not do my homework? As I was very tired. So this is also reason for this action. Yes, so my dear children, because, since, and as, these three conjunctions specially are used to show reason of the action. These are used to join two sentences where in one action is explained and other one the reason for that action is explained. Okay, but, since, and as have other functions too. उनके दूसरे functions भी होते हैं. Okay, like, since is not only used to show reason, it is also used to show time. Okay, so now let's just understand about since conjunction first. Since is a conjunction that joins two parts of a sentence by showing the reason or cause for the action or idea mentioned in the one part. Yes, that we already understood just now. Yes, and it is also used to show a point of time in the past. Okay, it is used to show a point of time. It is used to show a point of time where something started happening. Okay, so since is also used to show time of an action in the past from where the action started happening. जहाँ से वो action होना शुरू हुआ था उस time को show करने के लिए, उस time को बताने के लिए भी since का use होता है. So how since is used to show the point in time? Like, for example, like, Anita stopped eating chicken since she was 10 years old. Anita ने chicken खाना बंद कर दिया जब से वो 10 साल की थी. So here we are talking about the action that started in the past. Okay, that started in the past at some point in time. Okay, किसी time पर ये action शुरू हुआ था. किस चीज़ का action? That Anita stopped eating chicken. This is an action done by Anita. Okay, but that was that happened at some point of time, in the past. Okay, to show this point of time we use since. Okay, like I was a big fan of Saurav Ganguly. मैं सौरभ गांगुली का बहुत बड़ा फ़ैन था since I was a child. Here since is talking about the time, point in time. Okay, so it is used to show time. Like for example, we say I love to study books since I was a child. Okay, I was fascinated by science since I was a child. Okay, so my mother is busy in decorating the house since morning, or my mother is cooking in the kitchen since morning or since afternoon. Yes, so here we are talking about the point in time in the past. Okay, हम since से ये भी बताते हैं कि एक्शन पास्ट में कब से शुरू हुआ था. Okay, so we did question number 1 given on page number 40. Here you had to read all these sentences and you had to find out where since is used to show reason and where since is used to show time. Okay, so this was done in the class. Now this is your homework. Here you have to first write the definition of conjunction, and then this is the question similar to the question given in book. So here also, since conjunction is given in each sentence, but you have to find out where it is used to talk about time and where it is used to talk about reason. So in A part, since he was busy, he did not go out to play. Yes, क्योंकि वो busy था, वो बाहर नहीं जा पाया. So here since is telling us reason of not going out to play. Okay, so like that, I love to see horror movies since I was 12 years old. मैं जब से 12 साल का था तब से मुझे horror movies देखना पसंद है. So here we are talking about point in time. हम किसकी बात कर रहे हैं? हम एक ऐसे एक्शन की बात कर रहे हैं जो किसी टाइम में स्टार्ट हुआ था पास्ट में. Okay, so here since is telling us about the, since is showing, is used to show time of an action. Okay, so like that you have to do C, D and E part. Okay, thank you.